The biggest business opportunity this year is selling services to local businesses desperate to survive, and it is none other than restaurants. Start a business with this contactless restaurant menu maker within 7 minutes. With the help of this digital menu, customers can scan the QR code and check the menu on their phones. Magnet in the orders. Conventional food ordering will never be the same. As most local restaurants come in and out of lockdown, social distancing is now having a major effect on revenue, and it doesn't look like it will improve anytime soon. Unless a restaurant owner can pivot and create new streams of income, chances are they will not survive on dine-in customers only. The obvious new service a restaurant can add is a takeaway, room service, if they are nearby to accommodations or lodging, and delivery services, and this is critical and essential to increase the needed revenue to cover the ongoing overhead as fast as possible. With Fuloh, the restaurant are able to pivot their business with all these extra services in just 7 minutes. If there is an easier way to create long-term recurring income from local restaurants, this is it. Fuloh Menu Maker, Digital QR Code Instant Ordering System is the perfect tool for restaurants, bars, cafeterias, pizzerias, hotels, and other types of business to provide their customers the ability to view your restaurant's menu with an attractive digital QR menu and help them place their order with a few simple clicks from their own device. Use QR code and impress your clients with service speed, amplify your reach, save valuable time to wait for waiter, because your customers deserve smarter tables. For restaurants, register and create your restaurant's account. Go to the menu page and create your menu. Print your QR codes for tables, and wait for orders. For customers, use the phone camera or QR application to scan the code. Scroll around the menu and make your order. Your order is instantly received, and it's coming.